Imagine living a life where money is no longer a concern, a life where you're no longer living paycheck to paycheck. Sounds dreamy, doesn't it? But let's hit the pause button on the dream for a moment and talk about something that might be all too real for many of us: the broke mindset. What is the broke mindset, you may ask? Well, it's a state of mind where one is constantly worried about money, always feeling like there isn't enough. It is a mindset that focuses on scarcity rather than abundance, on what is lacking rather than what is possible. It's a mindset that can keep you trapped in a cycle of financial instability, forever running on the hamster wheel of money worries. Here's a shocker for you. Did you know that a staggering 78% of workers are living paycheck to paycheck? That's right, nearly 4 out of every 5 people you meet are just one unexpected expense away from financial distress. And it doesn't stop there. Almost 1 in every 5 Americans has nothing saved for a rainy day, let alone for their future. These surprising statistics paint a vivid picture of the broke mindset and its pervasive impact. It's like a shadow that looms large, limiting one's potential and preventing them from achieving financial freedom. It's a mindset that puts a ceiling on what you believe you can earn, spend, save, and invest. It's a mindset that says, "I can't afford it," rather than asking, "How can I afford it?" But what if you could break free from this cycle? What if you could shatter that glass ceiling and let the sun shine in on your financial potential? What if you could develop a $1 million mindset? Stay tuned as we open the door to a new way of thinking about money, one that can lead you from the murky waters of financial instability to the sunny shores of financial freedom. What does a $1 million mindset look like? It's not just about dreaming of wealth. Now let's delve into defining the $1 million mindset. This mindset is grounded in a set of principles that guide your decisions and actions towards wealth creation. And these principles aren't just about amassing wealth, but about fostering a sustainable lifestyle that supports wealth generation. The first principle is goal setting. It's not merely about setting any random goals, but setting smart goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Consider your financial goals. Are they clear and well-defined? Can you measure your progress? Are they achievable and relevant to your life? And most importantly, have you set a time frame to achieve them? If you can confidently answer yes to these questions, you're on the right track. Next, we have financial literacy. This is the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. It's about knowing how money works and how to make it work for you. It's not just about earning money, but understanding how to save, invest, and grow it. The third principle is investing. This is where financial literacy comes into play. With a sound understanding of finances, you can make informed decisions about where to put your money. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or your own business, investing is a key way to grow your wealth. And finally, entrepreneurship. This is the willingness to take risks and start your own venture. It's about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles. It's about innovation, determination, and resilience. These principles are echoed by numerous successful entrepreneurs and financial advisors. They attribute their success to these foundational principles, proving that a $1 million mindset isn't just about the desire for wealth, but about the willingness to learn, take risks, and work towards your financial goals. A $1 million mindset is about creating a lifestyle that supports wealth creation. Developing a $1 million mindset isn't something that happens overnight, it's a process. It's like learning a new language or a new sport. It requires practice, dedication, and above all, patience. So, let's dive into the practical steps. Step 1. Prioritize financial education. You can't grow wealth if you don't understand it. Read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, make learning about money a regular part of your routine. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to finances. Step 2. Set clear, concrete financial goals. These could be short-term, like saving for a holiday or paying off a credit card, or long-term, like buying a house or retiring early. Write these goals down, make a plan to achieve them, and stick to it. This gives you a roadmap, a clear path to follow on your journey to wealth. Step 3. Cultivate a growth mindset. This is a mindset that sees challenges as opportunities, failures as lessons, and believes that abilities and intelligence can be developed. It's about acknowledging that you're not perfect, but you're always growing, always learning. This mindset is crucial because the road to wealth is often riddled with obstacles, but with a growth mindset, you'll see these obstacles as opportunities to learn and improve. Finally, step 4, embrace risk. Taking calculated risks is a part of building wealth. This doesn't mean throwing caution to the wind, but rather understanding that sometimes, to achieve great things, you have to step out of your comfort zone. You have to be willing to invest, to try new things, to potentially fail, in order to succeed. These are the steps to developing a $1 million mindset. But remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about changing your relationship with money, understanding its value, and harnessing its power to achieve your goals and dreams. Remember, this process takes time, but with patience and persistence, you can develop a $1 million mindset. Need some inspiration? Let's look at some real-life success stories. Our first story is of a man named Joshua. Joshua grew up in a humble, blue-collar family where money was always tight. For years, he carried the same mindset into his adult life, living paycheck to paycheck. But one day, he decided he'd had enough. He started reading books about personal finance, attending seminars, and surrounding himself with successful people. He learned to see money differently, as a tool rather than a burden. Today, Joshua is a successful entrepreneur, and he credits his success to the shift in his mindset. Next, meet Sarah. Sarah always dreamt of a comfortable life, but found herself stuck in a cycle of debt. She blamed her circumstances for her financial struggles until she realized that her mindset was the real culprit. She began to challenge her beliefs about money, replacing them with the principles of abundance and prosperity. Today, Sarah is a successful real estate investor, and her journey is a testament to the power of a $1 million mindset. Then there's Alex. Alex was stuck in a dead-end job, barely making ends meet. He felt trapped, with no way out. But instead of accepting his fate, Alex decided to change his mindset. He began to see his situation not as a dead end, but as an opportunity. He started a side business, worked tirelessly, and gradually built it into a profitable enterprise. Today, Alex is a multi-millionaire, and he attributes his success to his $1 million mindset. Finally, let's talk about Emma. Emma was a single mother, struggling to provide for her family. She was living in a state of constant stress and anxiety. But Emma decided to change her narrative. She embraced a mindset of abundance and began to focus on opportunities rather than obstacles. Today, Emma runs a successful online business and is financially independent. These individuals are proof that with the right mindset, you can achieve financial success. Developing a $1 million mindset is within your reach. We've taken a journey today, traversing a landscape of self-discovery and empowerment. Reflected in the shimmering skyscrapers of Dubai and the vibrant markets of Morocco, we've seen how our mindset can transform our reality. Let's take a moment to revisit the scenery. We started by breaking free from the shackles of a broke mindset. It's a mindset that holds us back, tells us we're not good enough, that we don't deserve success. But as we've learned, these are just limiting beliefs, echoing in the caverns of our minds. We have the power to silence them, to replace them with an empowering narrative that celebrates our potential. Next, we painted a picture of the $1 million mindset. It's not about having $1 million in the bank, although that's a nice side effect. It's about believing in your worth, in your ability to generate wealth, to create opportunities and to seize them. It's about resilience, persistence, and a burning desire to succeed. Then, we outlined the steps to develop this mindset. It starts with self-awareness, understanding our beliefs and values, our strengths and weaknesses. Then, we need to set goals, tangible targets that keep us focused and motivated. We need to surround ourselves with positivity, with people who inspire us, and situations that challenge us. And finally, we need to take action, because a mindset is not a state of being, but a state of doing. We also shared real-life success stories, tales of individuals who transformed their lives, their fortunes, by transforming their mindsets. Their stories are proof that the $1 million mindset is not an abstract concept, but a tangible reality. Remember, your mindset is the key to your financial future, so start developing your $1 million mindset today. Like the phoenix rising from the ashes, let this mindset be your rebirth into a world of possibilities. Because at the end of the day, it's not about the money, it's about the person you become in the process. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and share all across social media. If you don't have social media, share anyway by word of mouth.